Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
This week is different. We've run into a problem recently. Well, we've been blessed. We've been getting more business on the side. I've been making plaques for a lot of different people. So I'm extremely busy and I'm in the garage almost on a daily basis. I have multiple lasers going at the same times, but unfortunately, it's been a case of whenever we get a new laser, we just find what available space we have and we place a laser in there. And now it's gotten kind of crazy. I got one laser on top of another on another, and I literally have to get on my hands and knees to access one of our larger lasers while I'm working on a smaller one, and I bump my head constantly and said, this just isn't working. So although the neighbors walk by and I keep hearing, oh, you've got the best arranged garage in the neighborhood, it still wasn't working for me. So I had to figure out how we can make it even better and utilize the space. Now, it's easy to come up with something and draw it on paper and take some measurements and you figure that's going to work out really well. However, a lot of times when you do that, you're thinking only in 2 dimensions and it doesn't quite work out when you actually start building things. For example, you may build something and although the measurements fit in a particular area, it fits real close to where the car parks and the car door doesn't open up, makes a big difference. So on the plans of a 2-dimensional plan, it fits properly, but when you actually do it, it doesn't work. So in order to prevent that, we have done something a little bit different. And so this week we're going to show you this.
Ta-da!
So this is a scale model of our garage, and now that we have a scale model, we can start taking measurements and figure out what exactly we can build into this extra space that we hope to make and see if we can come up with something different. So technically this is going to be kind of a multi-part series of how we're going to make space and the things that we're going to build to see if it actually fits in here. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we do this.
So, based on the scale models, we hope this fits in the garage and we hope it's going to work. In the next couple of videos, we're going to show you how we built these and hopefully everything will fit. So until then, bye-bye.